I'm impressed. I don't think I could do it that fast.
I'm not doing it as fast as I can.
So how old are you?
9.
Okay, do it 9 more turns. Let's do it 9 more turns. Keep 1. There you go.
All right, she's strong. Look at that. It's all brushed
8.
smooth.
Did you get 9? Okay, wait a minute. Stay right here. So we need to find a little indentation in our wheel. So I'm going to take this poker and I'm going to pull it up like this. Remember how all the fibers need to be all in one way? So I need you to go back. Let's see.
So see how there's all
We're going
these
to try to
different
go back to my next
finishing
indent.
types,
We're going to try to keep them all together.
So let me get
It's real
started.
important that we keep going back a little bit further so I can have some more. I need to find my little indentation here. Can you help me find it? Help my little stick. Keep going. I don't know, is there another one? Okay, stop. Well, there isn't one here, but we'll make one. Carolyn, is there only one indentation there?